Today I'm going to be making Casablanca chicken for a Moroccan menu. It's seasoned with cumin and coriander in a lemon caper beurre blanc. Today I am making Casablanca chicken to go with a Moroccan menu. We're going to start by dredging the chicken pieces in a mixture of about a half cup of flour, seasoned with cumin, coriander, chili powder, turmeric for color, and a little paprika. You just want to coat these up nice and evenly. A little bit of flour, that way when the wine hits the pan, it'll make a nice sauce. Okay, we're going to put a little butter in the pan. I got garlic over there. Would you grab it for me? Thank you. And a little minced garlic. And I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil because that sort of settles the butter down so it doesn't burn and foam quite so much. Plus, this is a Middle Eastern dish, so it must have olive oil in it. Okay, now that we got the garlic sauteing, you want to put the chicken in before it browns up too much. We'll add this one piece at a time. So you can already see the turmeric starting to make the sauce a bright yellow. If you're not careful, turmeric will stain everything in your kitchen bright yellow. So just a word of caution. So now we're going to take a little time to brown both sides of these chicken fillets. Ah, good. Nice color. You gotta keep things moving in the pan too, otherwise the garlic will get too crispy. So you want to keep everything moving. Don't let things get too brown. And probably reducing the heat a little bit would be a good idea right about now. And once you get the chicken lightly browned on both sides, flash it with a little white wine. See how the flour makes the sauce thicken up a little? That's all just the flour from the coating on the chicken, and that way you don't have to make a roux to thicken your sauce. And we're going to let this poach for a little while and add a little lemon juice for flavor. This is, we don't need all that. It's the juice of about one whole lemon. And I think we're done. Turn it behind it. To finish, I added about 2 tablespoons of capers, and poured the sauce over the chicken. Beautiful. Casablanca chicken. I hope you've enjoyed this cooking demonstration and will try it at home in your own kitchen. For full instructions, please visit us on the web at www.thingsasian.com.
Itadakimasu.